Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 WhatsApp settings that put you at risk and how you can fix these dangerous settings today. Alright, let's begin. The first setting is linked devices. Most people don't realize that if you leave your phone unattended, even for a short moment, someone could open WhatsApp web or link your account to another device. From that point on, they can read all your messages, view your photos, and even send replies pretending to be you. This makes it one of the most dangerous features if left unchecked. To protect yourself, open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select Linked Devices. Carefully review the list of devices connected to your account. If you notice something like Windows or Chrome, and you've never logged in from that device, it means someone else may be spying on your account. Also, check the last login time. If it doesn't match your activity, that's another warning sign. The fix is simple. Tap the suspicious device and select Log Out. Then, to add an extra layer of security, enable 2-step verification. Go to Settings Account, then 2-step verification. Set a 6-digit PIN and never share it with anyone. Avoid saving it in your phone's notes or messages. This way, even if someone attempts to connect to your account, they won't succeed without your secret code. The second setting is your profile picture. Many people think of it as just an image, but it can be a gateway to your personal information. Anyone who has your phone number can download your picture and run a reverse image search. From there, they might find your Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn profile. That means strangers could learn your full name, where you work, or even details about your family. This is a big privacy risk, especially for those who use the same photo across multiple platforms. To protect yourself, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Privacy, and tap Profile Photo. Change the setting from Everyone to My Contacts. If you want maximum privacy, set it to Nobody. Another smart step is to use a different photo on WhatsApp than the one you use on other platforms. This makes it much harder for someone to connect your accounts and build a profile about you. The third setting involves groups and calls. If your WhatsApp allows everyone to add you to groups, you're at risk of being placed into random groups filled with spam, scams, and unwanted ads. These groups often contain phishing links, fake crypto investment offers, or shady promotions. Worse, your phone number and display name become visible to every stranger in that group, which exposes you to further scams. Spammers can also make direct calls to you, which can be both annoying and unsafe. To fix this, go to Settings, Privacy, then Groups. Change the setting from Everyone to either My Contacts or My Contacts Accept. This ensures only people you trust can add you to groups. The fourth step is managing advanced privacy settings. Many users don't even know these options exist, but they're important for protecting your data. In the Privacy menu, scroll down and enable block messages from unknown accounts. This stops random strangers from reaching you directly. Next, enable Hide IP address during calls. Without this, someone you call can potentially track your IP and get clues about your location. Finally, disable automatic link previews. When this setting is left on, WhatsApp automatically fetches data from links sent in chats, which can expose you to malicious sites or give away information about your activity. Disabling this reduces your chances of being tricked by harmful links. So that's basically how you can fix these 5 dangerous WhatsApp settings and keep your account safe. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.